So if you're paying monthly for automation tools for Instagram and feel like they are not worth it, then this is a good news for you. Now you can use Instagram's auto reply to post or Reels comment for free. And yes, this is an inbuilt feature that Instagram has recently added. So in this video, you are going to see how to set this up, how to use it, and there are also some big limitations for those who share separate links for different posts. So don't skip at any part of this video and make sure to check the timestamps if you want to rewatch any particular section later. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is change your Instagram account type to either a creator or business account. Only then will this feature work properly. To change your personal Instagram account to either a business or creator account, open Instagram on your mobile phone, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and look for account type and tools, or you can simply search for it as well. Now, to switch your personal account to either a business or creator account, tap on switch account type and choose either creator or business. Mine is already set to a creator account. This is the first step. Now coming to the second step, connecting your Instagram account to a Facebook page. To connect it, open Instagram, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on edit profile. Now scroll down and you will see the Facebook option. A pop-up will appear, tap continue and then log in into your Facebook account. After logging into your Facebook, it will show you a list of pages that are already connected to your account along with the available pages. If you don't have one, click on create a new Facebook page. Next, give a name to the Facebook page. Then select the page category. Finally, click on create. That's it. Your Facebook page is now created successfully and connected to your Instagram account. If in case it shows any error, try again after some time. These kinds of errors are very common in Meta. Also, check on Facebook whether the page you created is showing there. Sometimes it takes a little time to refresh the data. Once everything is done, you will see the Facebook page name here like this. And now it is successfully created to the Instagram account. Now coming to the most important step, creating the auto reply message automation for post or reel comments. First, log in into your business suite or creator studio. Then log in using your Facebook or Instagram credentials. This is how the interface looks. If you want to add multiple accounts, click on the profile icon at the top right corner and select login with another account. You can log in using either Instagram or Facebook. Next, this window will be shown. First, you will see this pop-up to manage messages. Click on get started, then confirm it. Now to create the automation, click on the inbox from the left side. Then on the top right corner, click on automations. Now click on create automation, then scroll down and select comment to message. If you have done everything correctly, you will see both your Instagram and Messenger channels here. First, give a name to the automation. This is only for your reference, so you can easily remember which automation it is. Next, you can enable or disable the channels where you want the message to be sent automatically. In the next section, you need to enter your keywords. Basically, if you tell your viewers in the video to comment something like link or XYZ to receive something, those are the keywords you need to enter here. You can add up to 10 keywords. After typing each keyword, press enter so it gets added as a separate keyword. Then in the next section, you can enter your private message. Here you can add the links or the text that you want to send automatically. If you click on personalize your message, you will get some extra options like adding the recipient's first name, last name, full name and more. At the bottom, you can also attach media files such as an image or a video. The next section is comment reply. Once the private message is sent automatically to the user's DM, this reply will be posted automatically under the comments that they left on your reel or post. Finally, click on Save Changes at the bottom right corner. That's it, your automation is now created. If you refresh the page, you will see your automation listed here. You can turn it on or off anytime in the future, and yes, the viewer will receive the DM almost instantly after commenting as long as they typed the correct keyword. Now, coming to the limitations of this automation, the biggest problem is that you cannot create separate automations for individual reels or posts. For example, let's say in one video you tell viewers to comment link to get a file. Then in another video on a completely different topic, you again ask viewers to comment link. Since you have already created an automation using the keyword link, Instagram will send the same old message for both videos. But don't worry, I have a solution for this as well. Instead of asking viewers to comment link for every post or reel, use a unique keyword or a custom name. For example, let's say I'm posting two different videos, one about a wireless mouse and another about a mobile phone. Instead of saying comment link, I can say comment mouse to get the wireless mouse link and comment mobile to get the mobile phone link. This is just an example. If in case you take the mouse as an example, let's say I'm posting mouse related videos, two separate things. I can either tell the viewers a custom name to type in the comments, or I can tell the brand name to comment so that I can send the link. Another important thing here is you must connect your Instagram account to a Facebook page. Let's say you are running multiple Instagram accounts like me. Personally, I also run multiple Instagram accounts. So to use this feature on each account, I'll need to create a separate Facebook page for each one. It's a very simple process, but some people don't like it. I already shown you how to create a Facebook page and connect to the Instagram account. I'm just mentioning it again if in case you didn't know. And the final problem is that you cannot force users to follow your page before sending the DM, which many third-party automation tools offer. But don't worry, if your content is genuinely good, people will naturally follow you even if you don't ask. If in case you want, you can add a custom message at the DM like, please follow my page. That's it guys, this is the complete roadmap from scratch to create an auto reply to comment for your Instagram posts or reels. Take your own time, create one automation, test it properly, and then later crush it with your content. And from now on, you can stop paying for third-party automation tools just to send DMs. I hope this video was helpful. If you learned something new, don't forget to hit the like button so this video reaches to more people who are paying a lot of money for the DM automations. Also, if you share this video on your personal social media platforms, you will be helping even more people to discover this video. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips, tricks, and reviews and these type of tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in another video.